I'm waiting for my bus, my next bus. I think I'm gonna drop my bike off right here. It says having justification of everything, of the flourishing flowers that are seen today, justification of the cleanliness. Anyways, I don't know what's really here at this path walk, but I see Christmas coming. You ver Feliz Navidad llegando. There's a Christmas flowers right there. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. So, your good works. It's very desolate in here. Pray for your friend's strength. Oración para la fuerza. Let's see, I'm looking. I think this is like only here's a toy shop. Hello.
Hello.
Curious George. Look at the turtle, it's so cute. Little necklace.
What can we help you find?
Oh, I was just taking a video of the store.
What for?
Something to meditate on at nighttime. I'm looking for prayer, for faith. But I wasn't going to video camera you guys or anything. But, like I got this little book. It's called Faith. I read it all at St. Vincent de Paul. And it says something we can say in there. It says faith and beauty. So, the Catholic faith, natural beauty produces beauty. God, who is both an object of faith and the author of the ultimate source of interval of all beauty, both in nature and mind and heart, human artist.
Nice.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Es lindo, yo le dije, de objeto de fe y escribió de invención de todo lindo. In nature, in the cosas de afuera, the montes y cosas como así, y de cierro de la persona, de artista. So, we can pray that we're the artist of the face. Oración de artista de la cara. So anyways, there's all the get well dolls. Todo para ser mejor muñecos. Cats, the bears, the doggies. You are my dog. Tu es mi perro. The hedgehog. You are my hedgehog. For cleaning, limpiando. You're the tutu girl. De felicidades. So, anyways. And the caballo de ir. So, there is a painting of the face, like we said, artista de la cara. Escribió tu cara a mi cara. Inspiración para mejor.